रियलिटी शोज आपने जब करना शुरू किया तो लाइफ में क्या चेंजेस आए हैं? लाइक हाउ हैव पीपल स्टार्टेड, हैव दे स्टार्टेड परसीविंग यू डिफरेंटली, क्योंकि उन्हें आपको डेली शोज में देखने की एक आदत थी, और मे बी ये कह सकते हैं कि आपको अपना रियल सेल्फ बाहर उनको दिखाना था, दैट्स व्हाई यू पार्टिसिपेटेड इन रियलिटी शो.
I think I was noticed a lot more because of reality shows. Like my first reality show was Khatro, and people, and if Big Boss was 4 years back, imagine when Khatro was. It was like long back.
Still people
and
remember.
People still
it
talk
is so
about
fresh
it.
in the mind.
It is so fresh in the mind. And even I was just thinking the other day that Nagin was a show which ran for almost 2 years, and it feels like 2 months. So it is not like कोई एक्टर्स होते हैं जो ऐसा कंटेंट देते हैं जो सिर्फ जिन्हें आप सिर्फ एक रियलिटी शो में देखना पसंद करेंगे, क्योंकि अगर उनकी एक्टिंग आपने देखी तो आपको वो अच्छी नहीं लग रही है. एंड दे नॉट एक्टर्स, दे जस्ट लाइक दीज कंटेंट गिवर कंटेस्टेंट्स that of course the makers also just get for content purely,
for entertainment.
For entertainment only. So of course you love watching them and their real self because they're very entertaining. But for me what's happened is after let's just say like a Khatro, if I did a Marathi film, people have watched it. Or while Khatro, I was doing Silsila Badalte Rishton Ka. So that one people really loved because it was on Voot and it was a different side of me as an actor. Because वो एक OTT platform पे था, तो मेरे outfits और my way of talking भी बहुत बदल गई थी. As an actor, I could really be this version of me in comparison to my other shows where I could only just do like a sari and like a pallu and stuff like that, being from television. And then after Big Boss, people were still looking forward to watch me as Nagin. And Nagin, which was supposed to be just for 6 months, it got so extended, it almost was 2 years. So it wasn't like 1-2 महीने का extension, it was like triple the time.
और ये अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ी बात
है. ये तो which is what ये बहुत डिफर करता है
बहुत,
कि कोई कंटेस्टेंट्स को आप सिर्फ वो चीजें करते ही देखना पसंद करोगे क्योंकि वो एंटरटेनिंग है, और कोई लोगों को आप है जिनका आप रियल सेल्फ भी पसंद करते हो और आपको ये भी पता है कि वो एक्टर भी अच्छे हैं, तो उनको आप वैसे भी देखते हो. तो मेरा बहुत फायदा हुआ बिकॉज people at least started noticing me for projects and stuff like that.
So I will show you 4 to 5 pictures of yours, and you just have to. It's traveling down the memory lane.
Oh.
Yeah. So this is one. I'll show it to the audience also. The Big Boss one. Yeah. Big Boss one.
How sweet. This is very sweet. Of course, this is very sweet. I was super nervous, but I was like, I thought I would win.
You knew you would win.
I thought I would win because I know my fans. They must have gone all out.
Of course.
ये खींच लिया होगा.
This one.
Oh, this is us in Jeddah. And that's a very important place for us as a family. बिकॉज ये तो हम शायद टेंट के अंदर है इसलिए मेरी मम्मी ने बुरखा नहीं पहना है, बट अदरवाइज जब हम सऊदी में थे, जिद्दा में थे, तो मम्मी यूज्ड टू वेयर अ बुरखा. और ऑफ कोर्स हम मदीना के इतने पास है, तो देयर वाज ऑलवेज दिस रिसाइटल्स एंड इट वाज अ डिफरेंट ब्यूटीफुल टाइम देयर, एंड दैट्स मी एज अ बेबी. मेरा क्या, मुझे याद ही नहीं है, मैं छोटी हूँ.
This one.
Oh, this is me and Rohit sir and our masti. Obviously,
he's very fond of you. That is very visible.
He's very fond of me, and he is that one judge. There's nobody like him. There is literally nobody in the world like him, and I have met a lot of people, and that's why when I say this, trust me, because if you're a good person and you say things with the nicest intentions, Rohit Shetty is the man who will accept you for the intentions that you have. Because I would say the randomest things and he would take it as a joke. And I feel like any other host would be like, have that thing about themselves, like I'm the host or I'm the judge and you behave yourself. He doesn't have that. And he can have that. Have you seen the man? He's huge.
Yes, I have.
He is tall, he is broad. So he can literally have that about him.
Yeah.
And he still doesn't. Like
He's
I
very
said,
down
he doesn't
to
even
earth.
have to say anything. All he has to do is just like come and stand and everybody will be like, but he's such a softie from inside. He's such a nice person. Like he's the best.
Loki.
This is a promotion for a show.
Panchayat.
This is a panchayat. Panchayat. So this was yeah.
This one. This one.
Oh, this is my days in Saragini when this is Bajirao Mastani, na?
Yes, Bajirao.
Bajirao Mastani ka promotion was happening and Ranveer and Deepika had come to the set and I was obsessed. But I was so angry because on that shoot day, the entire sequence was that something is happening and मैं छुप के देख रही हूँ the whole thing that is happening.
Okay.
तो इसलिए पूरे sequence में बुरखे में हूँ. तो रणवीर और दीपिका ने मेरी शक्ल ही नहीं देखी पूरी शूट में क्योंकि पूरी शूट में बुरखे में थी. So at the end when I took off the burqa because I was like, can I get a picture with you guys, was when finally they saw my face and then they were like, you're so pretty. I was like, oh, thank you.
That, yes, you are very pretty.
So both of them complimented me like.
But you know, like, I'll tell you about me. So when I started seeing you, I was like, she looks exactly like Hema Malini. And
Hema Malini?
हाँ.
Oh, I think
किसी ने बोला नहीं आपको अभी तक ये?
I have got Hema Malini. I've rarely got. I've got Anushka Shetty.
That too.
Anushka
yeah, now
Shetty.
that you're saying yes.
Anushka Shetty, I get a lot. I get a lot of Anushka Shetty.
Now I can't unsee that.
Hai na?
Now I can't
But I
unsee
feel it's
that.
because of the cheeks. I feel like Hema Malini ji also has like big cheeks and so does Anushka Shetty. I think it's the cheeks. And the eyes, I think. Like big eyes, probably.
Okay.
But they're like way prettier.
So with that, we wrap up this segment.
Thank you.